Let us discuss the next question. This question is from the year 2018. Consider the following statements. The Speaker of the Legislative Assembly shall vacate his or her office if he or she ceases to be a member of the Assembly. So this is with respect to the Speaker. So the statement is saying the Speaker will vacate the office if he or she ceases to be a member of the Assembly. Statement 2 says, whenever the Legislative Assembly is dissolved, the Speaker shall vacate his or her office immediately. Which of the following statements are correct? The Speaker gets elected from the members in the House. So once the Speaker ceases to be a member of the House, automatically he or she has to vacate the office. So this statement is correct. Statement 2 says, whenever the Legislative Assembly is dissolved, the Speaker shall vacate his or her office immediately. Here immediately is the keyword. This is incorrect because the Constitution clearly says even if the Legislative Assembly is dissolved, the Speaker shall remain in office until the new Legislative Assembly is elected and the new House is gathering. Till that time, he will stay in office. He doesn't immediately vacate his office. So this statement is incorrect. Which of the following statements are correct? Only one is correct. So answer is A. Let us look at the in-depth explanation. Statement 1 deals with the vacation of office of the Speaker of a state legislative assembly. Now, what are the different cases in which the Speaker of Legislative Assembly vacates his office? When he ceases to be a member of the assembly. So this was the question in the statement in the question. And point number 2, when he resigns by writing to the Deputy Speaker. So when either he ceases to be a member, or when he resigns, or when he is removed. So in all that cases, he is going out of the office. And statement number 2 is incorrect because Article 179 clearly says, whenever the assembly is dissolved, the Speaker shall not vacate his office until immediately before the first meeting of the assembly after the dissolution. So the provisions are saying that the Speaker shall stay in office and he shall not immediately vacate his office. He shall stay till the time until the first meeting of the next assembly which comes after the election, till that time. So coming back to the question, the statement 1 was correct, statement 2 was incorrect. Answer will be A, 1 only.